Hello students, welcome class 1 to your e-learning mathematics class. You know that previous class we have done from our we have practiced from our math composite book. Okay, of our math composite book till page number 157 completed. Okay, previous class we have completed till page number 157 of your math composite book. Today also we will practice from our math composite book. Today also we will practice from our math composite book. Okay, so you all please take out your math composite book and open page number 158. Okay, you all please open your math composite book and open page number 158. Till page number 157 we have completed previous class. I hope you all have completed. Today we will practice from this page number 158. Please follow me. More and less. More. This is called more. More means I have more chalks in my hand. More chalks in my hand. If less, if I in my hand the two, this is the less. More and less. Okay. More means if a bottle there is a full of water, there is a full of water or little bit less full of water, this is a more, and if another bottle there is a little bit water, this is called less. Okay, I want to show it to you. Suppose this is a glass. This is a glass and another glass. Okay, and here this is, which glass has more water? Which glass has more water? This glass has more. Suppose inside the water more, and this is less. This is more and this is less. Suppose in a jug, okay, or a glass pot, there is a this much liquid or water, and another one is this much. Which is more and less? You can identify. Oh, you cannot see here. Suppose this is water and another jug this much. Which is more and which is less? This one more liquid and this is less. If inside this jug there is a pot, there is a water, this container has more water and this container has less water. This glass has more water and this glass has less water. Understood? Now in this page, more and less. Cross the container which has more liquid. Liquid, water is liquid, juice is liquid, milk is liquid. Okay, these are called liquid. Now page number 158 we will solve. You all please follow me and solve. In this first picture, two glasses. Okay, the first picture there are two glasses. In the first glass this much water, in the first glass this much water, and the next glass this one. So which one is more and less? Cross the container which has more liquid. Cross the container which has more liquid. You have to cross this container which has more liquid. You all please solve. And the next one. Now next one. So here is this much and here is this much. So which has more? Cross the container which has more. This container has more. Please cross it. Next, cup. There are two cups. Okay, and the first one is this one, suppose T, and this one is this much. So you have to cross the container which has more. Please cross it. Next, jug. In the first jug and there is this much, and here is this one. So which has more? Please cross this one. Please cross this one. Next is next one. Now next one is to another pot. First is full of this excuse me, and second one is this. So cross the container which has more. Next is bucket. Which container has more? You have to cross this one. So first bucket has more and the second bucket has less. So you have to cross this one. Next is bottle. Next is bottle. Okay, so you have to cross the which container has more. This container has more and the next container has like that. So which is more? The first one. So please cross the first one. Next is another pot. First one is this and second one is this. So this first container has more. Now another two pot is over here. You all please solve with me. Next so first is very less liquid and the second one is this. So you have to cross. Now another jar container. So next one, first one is this much and the second one is this. So which has more? You have to cross this. Okay. Now you all please turn over the next page, page number 159. Then we can complete this chapter today. Okay. From our math magic book also, chapter number 7, math measurement is completed, and from our math composite book also, today we will complete this chapter. Okay, measurement chapter. Next is, you all please follow me carefully. Cross the container which has largest quantity and tick which has smallest quantity of liquid in it. There are many containers. In the first picture there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will not draw. There are the 5 containers in the first picture. Okay, and you have to, I will just write down numbering. First container, second container, third container, fourth container and fifth container. Okay, here you have to cross the container which has largest quantity. Which container has largest, more liquid? Second container. So please cross the second container because in this second glass has more liquid, and take the smallest quantity of liquid. Which one? Third one is smallest quantity liquid. So please cross the second container and take the third container. Okay. Now next we will solve the next one. First cup, second cup, third cup, fourth cup and fifth. Okay, here please follow all of you. First, second, third, fourth. First and second, if you compare, first one, second one is more. If you compare second and third, second one is more. If you compare second and fourth, second is more. If you compare second and fifth, which is more? Second. Then second one is largest quantity. So second cross. And which container has less quantity? Here also third one is less quantity. Here also third one is less quantity. Now we will solve the next question. Question number 3. Suppose this is 1, 2. Now this is number 3. This is number 3. Okay. First pot, second pot, third pot, fourth and fifth. Okay. Now please compare first, second. Second one is more. Second and third, second one more. Second and fourth, second more. Second and fifth. Now second one is more. One by one, if you compare, you can see the second pot has more. That means largest quantity of liquid. So second one cross. And which container here? All the second container has the more quantity, and the third container, look, you can identify that the third container has less liquid. So please tick the third container. Okay. All the jugs, all the container are the same. Now next, this is the fourth one. Now this is the fourth one. Bottle. The first bottle, second bottle, third bottle, fourth bottle and fifth. Only the container has changed. First glass, cup, one type of pot or jug, bottle, and this is another type of pot. Now here also second container, more, here is more bottle, there is a more quantity of liquid, second one, and third one is less quantity of liquid. So second one cross and third one tick. Second container has largest quantity of liquid and third container has smallest quantity of liquid. Now the last one, this is the last one, number 5. Now number 5. This is a container, and in this container there is also 5 container. The first container, this is the second container, this is the third container, and this is the fourth container, and this is the fifth container. This is the fifth container. All the quantity measured is same. Okay. All the quantity holds the same water if you fill it. Now first container is this much. Okay. And the second container is liquid this much. Okay. And the third container is this much liquid. Okay. And the fourth one this much. And last one is this much. So you can tell me that which container has more quantity of liquid. The second container has largest quantity of liquid. So please cross the second container. Second container has largest quantity of liquid, and the third one, look, now you just check other 4, which one has less quantity of liquid? This one. So please tick number 3. Second cross and third one tick. Okay. Now page number 159 also completed. Chapter number 20 of our math composite book completed. For today this much. See you next class. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.